I will show you how to connect Spotify to your Facebook account. Just go to your browser and type spotify.com. Then we're going to sign up. Click the sign up and sign up with Facebook. And then we will going to enter all the necessary information for us to create the Spotify account. Just type in here your Google account. And then confirm your email. We will just copy and paste it. Then this will be your profile name for your Spotify account. Then the birth of date or date of birth, as well as your gender. And then here in the three checkbox, we will tick this last option for us to agree to the policy or privacy policy of the Spotify account. Then check this and then click sign up. Then we will have our Spotify account connected to our Facebook account. We will check to our Facebook account if we have already connected our Spotify account to our Facebook account. Just click here in the notification. And then here we log in with our Facebook. And then we will see here that our account is active. Okay, that's all. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you.